How to turn off active status on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen. Here, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility tab and you will see the option for Active Status. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for Show when you're active, and with this, your active status will be disabled on Facebook. So, this is how you can turn off active online status on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.